Today's announcement is an absolute game changer for Newydd Port Talbot and for Wales. This will transform the fortunes of people in all our communities. It puts us at the forefront of the world's green energy revolution, and our residents will soon be working in the industry of future, learning the skills for securing green and well-paid jobs.
This is absolutely fantastic news for Newydd Port Talbot and should be the first step towards a much brighter future here in our county borough. I've been really pleased to be part of the partnership that we formed with the Pembrokeshire County Council, the Associated British Ports and the Port of Milford Haven. We're bringing this opportunity to our residents, and I look forward to being able to work together with our partners to make sure that local people and local businesses have the best possible benefit from what's now in front of us.
I am so proud of our team, and I want to thank everyone who has been involved in winning this for Newydd Port Talbot. This success is a testament to the hard work and dedication of all those involved, and the whole council is behind it.